Hi everyone, welcome back to Ask Nehru. I am Nehru and today we are going to talk about range observable as you are seeing here. So this is an observable creation function in RxJS. So this function is super useful when you need a sequence of numbers. So let's dive in and see how it works and when it's useful. Okay, so first of all let's understand the range. So the range emits a sequence of numbers in a specific range. So let's create a simple example in our code. So initially I create with range observable with observable symbol and I create numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, in the ng on it lifecycle hook, I want to print the value, so I keep ng range observable and I'm going to subscribe to it. Okay, so the subscribe I simply console it and I complete it. Okay, so completed. So just guess what could be the result of these functions. So it's nothing but the range. The first argument shows that the number is going to start from 1 and 10 denotes that there are number of numbers to be printed. For example, 1 starting from 1 up to 10 it's going to be printed. Let's see the result how it looks like. Yes, as expected, so it's a range 1 to 10. But don't think that it is 1 to 10. Okay, it's this one denotes the starting number and this is the count. For example, if I show you some different example, for example, I give 3 here. So it start from 3 and print up to 12. So if you count, there are 10 counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then completed. Okay. So it is that simple. So we are emitting numbers starting from 1 to next the number of counts. Okay. So when is the range useful? That we have to see, right? The range is particularly useful in scenarios where you want to create a predictable finite sequence of numbers. Some examples include generating a series of IDs. For example, if you need to generate user IDs or some other sequence of numbers. The next scenarios while iterating over a fixed number of items. So for tasks like creating a form with a fixed number of inputs, so using range to loop through each. And also we can one more example, simulating data. So it's great for creating mock data in testing environments. Okay, so we can also customize this range by keeping some other operators. For example, we can use pipe operators as well. Yeah, let it be 3. Now I want to multiply each numbers with 2. Okay, so what I do, so before subscribe I want to keep one more operator, that is pipe operator. So pipe is nothing but it's a combining operators. Okay, something wrong happened. Okay, pipe operator, and within the pipe I keep map. Map is nothing but the RxJS function. So I take one argument and multiply it by 2. Okay, so as a result, you see it was printing 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So simultaneously, so every value which we already printed is multiplied by 2 and the result you can see it here. So that's a quick look at the range. Okay, that's a range function in RxJS. So it's simple but very powerful for generating sequence of numbers, and it can be combined with other operators to achieve more complex tasks. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ask Nehru for more coding content. See you next time.